Hello viewers, once again welcome back to my channel. We are at Samardung Reserve Forest under Namthang Territorial Division. We are here to study the diversion and to see the compensatory afforestation carried out. So here in the red line is the location where the forest have been diverted for the construction of transmission line from Rampur to Samardung, and in the green patches it is the location where the constant rains have carried out the compensatory afforestation as a substitute for the loss of vegetation caused due to the diversion of area for the construction of transmission line. This is an overview of the reserve forest at Samardung, and where the user agencies have utilized some portion of the reserve forest for constructing the transmission lines. And here you can see some few poles of transmission lines inside the reserve forest. The forest of this reserve forest is of subtropical type, and the most common tree species which are found in this reserve forest are Soria robusta, Tectona grandis, Bepari, which is called as pinnacle bone tree, and Chilauni, which is called as needlewood tree, and its scientific name is Sima wallichai. Now we are laying the sample plot in the reserve forest, and the size of our sample plot is 10 into 10 meters square, and we will be enumerating all the tree species inside this sample plot. We will be taking their height, their diameter measurement, and we will also be recording all the ground vegetation in the sample plot. And apart from that, we will also be recording different parameters such as aspect, soil humus depth, then canopy cover percentage. Then if there is any natural or anthropogenic disturbances if occurred in near to the sample plot, we will be recording the data. And later on we will be analyzing this data, and we will come out the whether the diversion has caused impact to the vegetation of this reserve forest or not. This is the pure stand of Tectona grandis in the reserve forest, and the frontline staff of this reserve forest told us that earlier it used to be very dense stand, especially of Tectona grandis, and now hardly some few trees are left due to the developmental activities. These trees were felled, and now some trees are left, and among them also there are some unhealthy trees, and such trees are not good. And see, now this forest is of like open type, and yeah, you can see the present scenario of this stand. For the construction of this transmission line, a huge area or huge tract in this forest have been diverted, and where a huge number of trees were being felled. And due to felling of these huge trees or clearing the forest, now it has created a habitat fragmentations, and now which is leading problem to the wildlife, where they are unable to move freely inside this forest, and now they are in stress. So due to these reasons, later on it might create a human wildlife conflict in this area. So we need to see these issues